Aptas Ayurveda. Reach Ayurveda to age.
Namaste to all. First of all, I am highly appreciating the idea and work of Aptas Ayurveda Trust. The program, the national level contest Ayurgrama 2.0 is very much helpful for all the budding doctors in many ways. See, we Ayurvedic doctors are assets of the public when compared to the other pathis, branches. We Ayurvedic doctors are practicing in every corner of the villages of Bharata. The training for the interaction with the local people, villagers, and the learning of the informations available by them, these are all not given in the institutions. So it's a good opportunity for all the students, those who are participating in this contest. I want to share few informations. Say this type of work is not only to post the informations of Charaka to the public, but also to collect the informations what are all there with them. So what I feel is this program is for Jnana Vradhi and Jnana Prasara. Every corner in Bharata, every person in every home, they have one or the other informations which can be related with Ayurveda. Either the concept, basic concepts, or its implementations, or about the management of the disease and understanding of the disease. Everything is in terms of Ayurveda only. Either say for example Ushna, Shita. Now these words are very common with the public. So in the survey or in this context, what I feel to say is, first of all, honestly, we have to hear the informations what they have. Try to collect, gather the informations what they have, what they know about Ayurveda. Secondly, you can inform them, yes, this is the right way. This how Charaka told. That's why it's better to follow this. Starting from the prenatal, antenatal care and the child care and the care of the prepper lady. No, all these are well known to them. What you can do is you can collect such informations. They have beautiful informations. Every family, they have trends. The food habits, all those can be collected. Then you can tell them to what this is the best way. You can modify them a little bit. And secondly, you can have a survey of the plants in your area. You can have a program of vocal for local. Say, nowadays vegetables are very poisonous because of the many of the pesticides and manures they used. So Ayurveda, if you say Charaka Shaka Varga, Guruchi is also a Shaka. You can encourage the public to use the locally available such plants. in their garden or in their vicinity and to improve the health. In Kannada, always we say, ಊಟಕ್ಕೊಂದು ತಂಬಳಿ, ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ತಂಬಳಿ ತೋಟ. Similarly, you can encourage in the schools one vana for one school. There you can concentrate on trees. So we have a reference in Raksha Ayurveda about the Ashwattham-ekam, Pichumandam-ekam, Negrodam-ekam, Dashatintranikam, like that. No, trees has to be cultivated, so people will not see narakam na pashyet. Like that, you can select some 10 or 15 trees of Charaka Samhita, and you can have a vana in every school. You can name this Rakshavana as Charaka Rakshavana. But remember, give brief information about the medicinal plants. You can tell whatever you want about its food quality, but the medicinal uses, no, you have to restrict. If you want to do a Mane Maddu or home remedies program, there also give simple informations. Don't say that Hingoshtaka Churna is best for Admana and Ajirna. Along with buttermilk, you can use Hingoshtaka Churna, or with ghee, Pratama Kavala Bojjaha, no, Sarpisha Churna Yuktyam. So these informations don't give to them. Because so many times, no, people are eager to have such knowledge, but sometimes it may misuse by them. See, we have information about Gorasa Varga. Many are not having the idea of Ashtakshiras. So, and they don't know how to prepare buttermilk, and the use of buttermilk and the curds, dadhi and takra. These things can be encouraged well in your survey or in your program. Then the locally available fruits. As I said now, the local for vocal. You can encourage Charaka's food along with the locally available fruits. We did research work on the wild edible fruits of Udupi district, and we have noticed around 60 fruits. So that's why at least in different seasons, you can list out some 12 fruits which are available in that locality, and along with the Charaka's informations, you can encourage the public of that local village. Then, you know, there are some corners in Charaka Samhita or in Ayurveda. We have beautiful informations on different aspects of the nature. Say for example, the rainwater harvesting, the rainwater, its qualities. Many experts are there. They do the rainwater guest lecture, but they will not quote a single word of Ayurveda. So it's our duty to tell them that we have such beautiful informations to the public. And I congratulate all the colleges and students, those who already entered their teams, and I wish the success, every success in their endeavor. Together we can make a difference, be a part of the solution, and the main goal of Aptas Ayurveda is reach Ayurveda to each. With this program, I definitely we can reach Ayurveda to every corner of Bharat. So once again, I wish them all the success and hope this contest will be a best program for to reach Ayurveda to each. Thank you.
Aptas Ayurveda is a group of passionate Ayurveda Vaidyas and students constantly working to reach Ayurveda to each. Every year on Charaka Jayanti, we come up with a unique contest to motivate our Ayurveda youth and promote thoughts of Acharya Charaka. This year, we are organizing an event as Ayurgrama, which is first of its kind in the field of Ayurveda. The soul of India lives in its villages. 60% of the population still lives in villages of India. Indian villages have a very beautiful and attractive lifestyle. To control the spread of diseases and reduce the growing rates of mortality due to lack of adequate health facilities, special attention needs to be given to improve the health care in rural areas. Spreading the thoughts of Ayurveda in the village can be a solution for the healthcare issues in the villages. With this thought, Aptas Ayurveda has planned the contest where a team of students and a coordinator will be adopting a village and will be working for 7 days with varieties of activities to make the village Ayurgrama. The contest is designed in such a way that the students will explore the various skills required to promote Ayurveda, and the main aim of this contest is to connect the Ayurveda youth to village. Ayurgrama Ayurbharata. Subscribe and share this video to all and join hands with us to reach Ayurveda to each.